Hey y'all, so we are back with Vlogmas, another Vlogmas episode. It's going to be me and Lux, and we're going to make some coffee cake muffins, but we're going to go ahead and add banana to it. So let's go ahead and get started. Lux, do you want to open this? Open the package? Go ahead. So yeah, y'all, we decided to make these because obviously we like baked goods, and I just thought it would just be like a nice fun little thing for me and Lux to do together. A little solo date for me and him. And we're also going to use our red cup. So Lux, we're going to actually have you put the mix in. Alright, so we already preheated our oven, and then we're going to put the mix together. So it calls for the dry mix. And then it says that we need to put in 2 large eggs. Whoa.
This is a gas. This is a gas.
You said what?
This is a gas?
No, it's not gas. Then it says we need 2 large eggs. So I'm going to crack one, and then you can crack the other one, okay? So you crack, and then wait.
Oh. I thought I was crack an egg.
It's okay. Alright, so we got 2 eggs cracked. Then it says that we need a 1/2 cup of milk. So we're actually going to be using this protein shake instead of milk. And this is a vanilla protein. Sometimes I use protein shakes in place of milk because I just want the extra protein. So we're going to put in a 1/2 cup. And now we need to melt some butter. Can you give me a bowl and a spoon? A bowl and a spoon. And it says that we need 4 tablespoons of butter.
I want to taste butter.
You taste butter all the time. Alright, microwave for 30 seconds.
What's in it?
Alright, look, so while we're waiting for it, do you want to line these? Yeah. There you go. So Lux is lining up. We're gonna add bananas to this because who doesn't love bananas? I'm gonna add 2 of them. We're gonna mix this together before we add the butter. Alright, let's get the melted butter. Just mixing this up. Alright. Now, be careful. Wash your hands.
Ow.
You should keep that in there. So mommy's actually gonna pour this in. I'll let you do like what? All right, so the last step before we put it in the oven is the streusel mix to our butter. Okay. I don't know. Maybe it rises up. All right, y'all. So our streusel didn't streusel, but we're just gonna add it in. Here, look. Add it to the next one. I'm gonna do this half and you do the other half. Okay? You don't need a lot. There's some more left. That is hilarious. Ain't no streusel. It's gonna be inside. It's just like whatever. What are we gonna do next, Ella? We pour it in. Okay.
Yeah.